Hey girls, I'm back with another video. I hope you're all doing incredibly well. In today's video, I am sharing outfits for Vegas for fall, and I hope this video gives you some inspiration. I just got back from being there for a few days with my husband, and we met my best friend and her husband that flew in from Ohio. We had so much fun, saw a DJ, obviously gambled, ate lots of food, and drank delicious drinks. So if you're interested in outfits for Vegas for the fall season, continue watching. I do want to point out everything is linked down below in the description box. You'll find links, names, sizes, all that information down below. You can also find my measurements down there. Please do follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and of course you can shop everything in the free Shop LTK app. That is super easy to use app, but I post in there 3-4 times a day, just different products that I love. All these outfits will be in there. It's just really easy. You just click the photo and shop. So anyways, if you are interested in outfits for Vegas for fall, continue watching. The first outfit I want to share is this pink ruche dress. I love the baby pink of this. I thought it was just absolutely adorable. Now this is from Lulu's and I got a size medium. I will also insert clips because I had actually ordered this dress first in the lime green color. I just needed to get the medium in, so here is the medium. Now what I just love about this is that it's actually very flattering. It has kind of like a ruche detailing that goes across the chest. I did not wear Spanx with this because it does kind of have a lower cutout on your hips, but of course you can pull that up a little bit so it doesn't go as low on your actual hip and kind of hits you more at your natural waistline. I think if you wanted to wear like the Spanx underwear that gives you like a little bit of stomach support, I'll link them down below. If you wanted to wear that, you could definitely get away with it. Otherwise, I just wore a seamless thong and felt very comfortable in this. It is lined, so you have like two layers that's going across you. This is adjustable over here on the side. This is not. However, again, with that ruching, I just find this dress to be super comfortable and very flattering. Now, originally in my mind, I was gonna wear these massively high-heeled pink shoes. However, in Vegas, I ended up going with the sequin black heels. I was just way more comfortable in that. Although by the end of the night I was a little, I was ready to be in sneakers or slippers, but I thought the look was just super cute. Okay, you will see in this haul that I have quite a few shoes that I recently got in that I have styled multiple times with these outfits. These are pink satin heels, obviously a very platform wedge, and then of course a very massively tall heel. I'm 5'5" for reference, and my husband's 6'2", and when I put these on, he's only like an inch taller than me, maybe 2 inches, so they are literally like 5 or 6 inch heels. They also come in a black color, a light pink, and lime green. They are super fun, very comfortable to wear. I think anytime you have a platform and then a thick heel like this, for me, it typically is very comfortable. Very comfortable. However, just because we had gone out the night before, I wanted to wear, I just went with these heels that were a little bit smaller, but I absolutely love these, and I feel like they're just like a fun going out pair of heels. A great price point. I believe they're under $50, which I think is a great price point to find something that's comfortable and really cute. But platform is definitely trending for fall, especially in the world of heels, like a platform heel like this. So I absolutely love these and think I will style them multiple ways. I want to quickly mention I did get a 6.5 in those, which is my usual size. These ones, same as, well, these ones I actually got a 7 in. And they fit nicely. The 6.5 I believe were out of stock, so I probably would have ordered the 6.5, but I think these are just so fun, something different, super cute, and I mean, these were absolutely perfect for Vegas. I will say one night out and you can see a little bit of wear on them, but that's kind of to be expected just because I feel like the sequin's kind of like a sticker, like a stickered on sequin thing, or probably like heat pressed on or something like that, but I think they're a great price, super cute, and I loved how I paired them with that pink dress and then with this sparkly bag that matches. So I actually picked up 2 bags from Amazon for this little weekend getaway trip for Vegas. I thought this one is just super cute. It is black and then obviously has like the tiny little stones to them. You can kind of see that a little bit better up here. Again, a little wear because I just noticed that there was a sequin that had already fallen off, but I kind of feel like, you know, a $20 or $25 bag, a night out in Vegas, on and off, you know, on the chair, on the table, things like that. Like, I feel like, I just still feel like it's a really good bag, especially at the price. So I thought that was just super cute to wear it all together like that. Okay, hands down, a pair of pants that you will see from me over and over again this fall season. It's definitely these black pants. these black ponte pants from Abercrombie. They have a slit here, a nice seam that runs down the thigh. I just think it's super flattering. The material is like a cotton spandex-y feel. It's a little bit thicker than it's much thicker than like yoga leggings or something like that. But just very, very comfortable, super flattering. I'm wearing a size medium. These pants are $70. The original ones that I had found that I wanted to wear with a lot of these outfits are from Revolve, and they're by the brand Commando, and they're $178. So when I found these for just under $70, and I think they were like 15% off that day, I knew that they were probably gonna be a good winner. I love Abercrombie, and so I highly, highly recommend these. Now, not only can you wear these for like a night out, but of course you could wear this with a bodysuit and a blazer for work, with furs to wear into the office, even like heels. They're just like a very flattering pair of pants. So you can definitely wear these multiple ways. I will show you guys multiple ways in my upcoming fall videos that I have. You will definitely see these pants a bunch from me. Saw my Showpo haul, my Showpo fall haul that I just shared here on my channel last week. You will have seen me wear this disco, like very see-through top that I had worn these little petals with, but I would have actually preferred to have worn that with these pants with the slit. So like I know in the clip I showed that I had on the Spanx faux leather leggings, but in actuality this is kind of more of the pant that I would actually style with it. A little more on trend with it being a little bit more of a flared leg versus skinny. I mean, obviously the Spanx leggings going nowhere this fall. I will style them over and over again, and I know a lot of you have asked for a video, an updated video, because I do have that on my channel. 20 some outfits and where I wear the Spanx faux leather leggings, but this is kind of how I probably would have worn it together, so I just wanted to mention that. And then this, you know, there's a lot of tops that I have here that I paired back with these kind of pants. So we have this faux leather top, which I just think is absolutely adorable. This is from Revolve. I'm wearing a size medium, and this has a complete back zipper, which I just think is so cute. Now again, I think you can just pair this with like fun colors, lime green heels, yellow heels, pink heels. I mean, you can definitely just like go fun, of course, for Vegas. And then of course you could also just pair this back with skinny black heels as well. You know, black pants and black heels will always be a great option if you want to tone down the outfit a little bit, or maybe wear some fun bright accessories. But I absolutely love this top. Didn't get a chance to wear it, but I certainly want to wear it in the future to Vegas, because I think it's just always going to be a good top to pair back. And then I feel like these little bralette tops or corset tops with the black pants is always a good option too, especially if you have something like this already in your wardrobe. A little bralette corset top. I know Abercrombie right now has a ton of great corsets as well that you could definitely style back to black pants, or even black jeans too. Or if it's something already in your wardrobe, you know, style it back to black jeans or something like that. Leather pants as well would be a good option. A little hot for this time of the year, but moving more into fall, I could definitely see how you would pair leather pants, leather and leather, and then just a lot of these tops back to leather pants too. So I'll put my favorite recommendations of leather pants down below. Abercrombie does have 2 of them that are back in stock. I styled those frequently last year, so just be on the lookout for that, because they sold out quickly, so I wouldn't wait too long. But something like this, a little corset top, always a good option for Vegas as well. Now this top I had just gotten in from Abercrombie. It is a strapless little corset top. What's nice about this, it has like this boning through the side here, and then seams in the front. It's just gonna give you more support. It's gonna give you a streamlined waistline, side of your torso, so I love that. Huge trend for fall is definitely corsets, these kind of boning and piping details. Now this paired back with, of course, the black pants that I just shared with you guys, a black skirt, black leather pants. You can add fun heels like the green, because I play on green like I had done, or of course, you know, even the sequin heels, solid color heels. I mean, this is just such a good look. So sometimes with Vegas, it's like, of course, sequins is fun, but if you just go with something like this, a top you already have that fits nicely, and then just add some fun accessories like a sequin bag or something, that is a different way you can style it. But love this top. Wearing a size medium, comes in several colors. Okay, another super fun in Vegas dress for sure is this sequin mini dress. I did size up to a large in this. I think that's the right size. I typically size up in mini dresses, and if something's a bodycon dress like this, I size up. Now this does have a little bit of a waist definition here, so that's kind of nice to hit me right at my smallest part of my body, my waist. And with something like this, you can definitely wear a form of Spanx underneath that, which is just super nice. In this clip, I did not, but you know, that is an option if that's something you're wanting. The straps are really dainty. They're like a ribbon material, which I think is just really beautiful. Completely adjustable though, and I did just wear a sticky adhesive bra underneath just for a little bit of support. But I think this is just so fun, so beautiful. I did not get to wear it to Vegas this time around, but I do think it will be in my closet for New Year's or another upcoming trip. Paired back with those pink satin heels, just so freaking cute, so Vegas, so fun. I mean, when else are you gonna wear a sequin dress? So I feel like when the occasion comes, you gotta take advantage of it. I just chose the other pink dress and the sequin heels instead, but this would have been a good option as well. Sticking with my pink theme, I got in this set from Revolve. It is by the brand NBD, so I'm wearing a size medium in the top and bottom. It came as a set. So I actually really like these on me. I feel like dress pants can be a little bit tough just because I feel like if it hits the back of my thighs a certain way or my butt, it might be too tight or just like kind of show cellulite, which I don't, you know, who loves. But anyways, so I do like how this one fits. The waist fits nicely. I wouldn't have to get it tailored in. If I want it to be like perfect, then of course. But I thought this set was just really cute together. Didn't wear in Vegas, but definitely, I think we're going back in a couple months, so I definitely think this will be an option then. I think this is just so cute. Now, of course, this magenta top, if you're just not wanting to wear the pants, you could definitely pair these back with the black pants that I just showed with you guys, black sequin pants, a black skirt, that kind of thing. I mean, I love the two-piece sets because obviously you can kind of mix and match. Of course, you can wear like a black corset top with this, any of your black like strappy tops that you may already have in your closet. This strapless corset comes in several colors, so I believe black and cream, so that would be a good option for this as well. And then you'll see that I paired it with like a goldish color top. That's a corset top from Nordstrom that I had got in. It's a little bit small. I believe I got it in a size 6. Definitely need to size up to an 8. I think it's the brand Topshop, which I should have known because they do kind of run a little bit smaller. Topshop does, but I thought that color combination together was really cute. Of course, you could pair it back with black heels. I even think the lime green heels would have been cute too, kind of just like all playing in that kind of color scheme. Just super fun, and again, perfect for Vegas. Now this little lace slip dress, it's like an A-line shape. I just got it in from Abercrombie. It comes in several colors. Abercrombie has really great slip dresses. And just so you guys know, I have a big Abercrombie haul coming here soon, as well as an update on Abercrombie jeans because they released like a million jeans. So look for that in the next week or 10 days or so, because I just got that all ordered in, so I can't wait to share that. But anyways, wanted to pick up something like this because I feel like if you're not into something cropped or something tighter, I feel like this is always a great option as well. It's definitely breathable in case you're going to be out like the whole night or all day and night, you know. Just I wanted to give an option that was maybe a little more comfortable. So with this one, this is a lace mini dress, comes in several colors. I like the black lace on the black satin, of course. Now I did size up to a large in this, and I would say that's the size I would most likely wear, like keep and wear. I would just probably need to get like under the armpits taken in just a little bit. It was a little bit too much fabric for my chest. However, I do like how it kind of flowed over my hips, so that is just what I would do. I think if I got a medium, it would be a little bit tighter, maybe a little tight across my hips. I would have to try that. I would say order true to size. So again, with a mini dress, I typically size up, and then I would just get a little bit of that taken in. But I thought this was really cute, especially with those silver booties. These booties I had just gotten in from Lulu's. I want to say they're under $60. I think how it fits in the ankle, I wish it was just a little bit shorter in height. However, I do think they're comfortable and they look cute. I mean, totally perfect for Vegas. I saw myself wearing this together, and especially I feel like if I had a hat with like silver fringe hanging off of it, like chandelier, it would be so freaking cute. But I didn't get that hat in time or whatever. But I think that's really cute. Again, an easy outfit to kind of wear out. Maybe you're a little more comfortable in booties, so I think that's like a good outfit to wear in Vegas for fall, certainly. Now, I also think, of course, if silver's not your thing, you could definitely pair that with like white booties, black booties, and just kind of go a little bit bigger on your earrings to like dress it up a little bit. But I just think this is such a cute outfit for Vegas, for the fall. Definitely super fun. Really have to mention this little bag that I got in. I had picked this up from Amazon. It was so funny because my best friend had gotten the same one. We didn't talk about it. We both just like saw it and bought it. I think it's really cute to pair back. Basically, between these two bags, these are the ones that I had used in Vegas. Again, both are under $30 from Amazon, linked down below. They held my phone, keys, card, and lip gloss, so that's all I needed when I was out. I wore this outfit the morning we left to go see it. Welcome to the fabulous Las Vegas welcome sign. That was the first time we've seen it. My husband and I have been to Vegas before, but didn't see the sign. It's a little bit further south on the strip, like a mile and a half, closer to the airport. But anyways, wanted to wear something super comfortable but also really cute. So this is a Bodycon fitted dress. Now I did size to a large in this dress. I think it fits perfectly. You can kind of wear it off shoulder if you would like, or just up. I wore it up, but I thought it was really cute paired back with some white booties and my white hat. I will just link something similar for the hat and booties. These are old, but I will be sure to link quite a few options down below. But that was just like a very comfortable dress. Otherwise, when we walked around during the day, I wore like a rouge black dress that I got in from Amazon. I'll insert a photo of it, but I got that from Amazon, so that was kind of a good option. I think if you had like an athletic dress, you could wear during the day as well, like just kind of walking and exploring the strip. I mean, it's a lot of walking, so sneakers for sure during the day, especially if you're wearing heels at night. I know more casual outfits for like when you're walking the strip or just like walking around. I mean, I definitely think like a little mini like denim dress and booties, super cute. You know, there's obviously like a little touch of Western feel there, being in the middle of the desert. But I also think like an athletic dress, I mean, you see kind of like all kinds in Vegas, so I feel like during the day, be comfortable, especially if you're walking. And then of course at night, if you want to go glam and dress up. But again, I really think like having a basic pant like this, like a strong pant that you can kind of like mix and match different tops to, is definitely the way to go. And then of course, comfortable heels, or like if you already have some solid tops that you love that you can pair back to black jeans or like black pants, and maybe like go for like a fun bag or shoe that's like shiny and sequins and, you know, just something that you wouldn't typically wear. But I feel like for Vegas, anything really goes. I hope today's video was helpful for you girls. I hope it gave you some outfit inspiration. I do have a goal of hitting 5,000 subscribers this month in the next couple weeks, so please do hit the subscribe button. It greatly helps me here as I try to grow my channel on YouTube. Also, you can find me over on Instagram and YouTube. I share daily there, share more outfit inspiration as well. And again, everything is linked down below in the description box. If you're on mobile, tap the title of this video, everything will populate. I hope to see you girls really soon in my next video.